As a photographer, I love a good fall time photo, but sometimes the color just isn't all there. Whether you missed the peak color or you're still eagerly awaiting it, here's a tip that will get you the best fall photos regardless of what the trees look like. Oftentimes it can be easy to overlook the forest floor when you are looking at all these beautiful trees that are lit up in nice colors. But oftentimes some of the best looking leaves have already fallen off the trees and they're coating the forest floor, and so these are good to look at when you're looking for that good fall photo. Many of my favorite fall photos are of specific leaves that have fallen on the ground, or specific leaves that I have picked up off the ground and held in front of the camera even. And the nice thing about shots like these is they allow me to walk away with a great shot without actually relying on nice color throughout an entire tree, because oftentimes I arrive at the forest and it's still green anyway, so it's nice to be able to have good photos from the spot without actually waiting for peak season. So my tip is this: next time that you're out to photograph the fall colors, try scanning the forest floor for a specific leaf that you really like. Maybe even an extra leaf or two to decorate around that other leaf. And that leads me to my next thing. You can also try to move the leaves if you need to. They don't always need to stay in the same place. So you can pick up the leaf, put it on somewhere else. I've set them on logs and branches sometimes too, and I think that yields a better result, and I've also decorated around the frame, around that branch with other leaves. This allows me to kind of create a better shot rather than relying on just the leaf happening to fall in the perfect spot. If you're going to try this, I would recommend doing it in the morning, because then you can get morning dew or even morning frost if you're late enough into the season. This can provide really nice texture and make the leaf itself much more interesting, and it can really pop out of the frame. Please leave a like on the video if you found it useful, and good luck with your next fall photos.